Welcome everybody to Florida Living. I'm talking to you from Pompano Beach, Florida, from one of my favorite properties on the market. I've been here now for 1 hour on this balcony. Check out this view. You've got the ocean, a direct ocean view, the Intracoastal. Not to mention, you can lounge by the pool right next to the Intracoastal. Unbelievable. So what I want to introduce you to right now is a 3-bedroom condo, almost 2,600 square feet under air. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, tons and tons of closet space. So why don't you follow me into this experience? And I hope to hear from you very soon because I know you're going to want to come for a visit. So welcome, come on in. Check out this space. First of all, there are windows on the entire side of the property. This means you've got views. It's bright. Talk about light. You can see the sunrise and the sunset here from this condo. You never have to leave home. Another thing that I love about this property is how it's spaced out. I did tell you it's almost 2,600 square feet under air. Check out this space. The living area is so unique because what it is, you can sit here and just look at the ocean the entire day. You can't find that often anywhere. The other thing that I really like, aside from the sitting area that separates the dining from the living space, is a great place to eat. Notice you've got windows, 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 windows. Talk about light. Off of the dining area, we have a gourmet kitchen, thermidor appliances, beautiful workmanship here. I want to show you this kitchen and why I think it's special. Not only are the appliances thermidor, you also have some that have actually been covered with some excellent workmanship. You don't see that often. So I know that any chef would be happy to cook in this gourmet kitchen. So where I want to take you now on this journey is to the primary bedroom. Follow me because this is something really special. This bedroom has a large walk-in closet, a huge ensuite with a frameless shower, of course. I mean, you wouldn't want anything else. And a view of the ocean. Remember what I told you? From every room, you've got a view of the ocean. So let's go real quick. I don't want to take up too much of your time. And let me introduce you to the primary suite. Voila! This large suite has everything that you ever need in a primary bedroom. Like I said, you've got that ocean view. It sits comfortably, a king-size bed, and of course that walk-in closet. Aside from that, of course in every primary suite, you need double sinks and a big shower. So I'd like you to check out this space here and you tell me if you've seen something as nice as this recently in Pompano Beach or even Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So check it out. Great counter space, those double sinks, great workmanship. You even have closets in the bathroom. This place is all about closets, closets, and more closets. Aside from that, please check out this shower. Talk about taste. So now, I want you to follow me into the second bedroom, which is just as large as the primary bedroom. Let's go. Like I said, I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but I do want you to check this out. What's special about this bedroom, it's got 2 windows on either side, one east, one west. You can watch the sun go up, and you can watch the sun set. You can watch city life, you can watch the ocean. That's your choice. So, off of the second bedroom, you also have, of course, an ensuite. Every bedroom here has an ensuite. So let's go. Welcome to the second bedroom, everybody. And you can see how large it is. Off of the second bedroom, it actually has a wash-up area that the owners have converted to a sort of like a sitting area, but all the pipes are still here if you wanted to make this somehow a little different and a little more independent and unique. All right? So once again, second bedroom, it is huge. And those 2 windows with those great views. And yes, everybody, the walk-in closet. It's everywhere. You cannot miss the amount of closets in this amazing penthouse. The bathroom, I know I keep saying the ensuite, the ensuite. Let's go through the ensuite. Here again, what I love about this ensuite, you actually have separate sinks. Here, and then over there. And of course, you've got your shower and bath combo. So it's definitely convenient if you have guests, family staying over, kids. One thing special about this property is it actually works for everybody. You have a big family, more than enough room and enough bathrooms. You have guests, total privacy. You have two young kids, they could share a bathroom. The final thing I want to show you is the third bedroom that's used as an office space, but again, it's also quite large. So, the third bedroom is completely private from the rest of the house. As you can see, it also has, like I told you, views, and more views. Here we have views of the city, and it's actually quite green. You've got a large walk-in closet, just like all the other bathrooms, and a fantastic ensuite, all right? So this is 2900 Northeast 14th Street Causeway at the Voyager, Penthouse 910. So if you'd like any information, oh, you know what? I forgot something. I want to show you two more quick things. One is, what would make this more complete? Well, washer, dryer area, room. Check this out. Private room for your washer and dryer. That is actually the size of a little walk-in sort of space where you can do anything you want. All right, guys? So listen, have a great day. Thanks for coming, and I look forward to hearing from everybody. Take care, everybody. Bye.